Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today, I'd like to give a huge shout out to all the fathers out in the world, both the fathers who work for Russ Darrow Mazda and the fathers who don't work here. The fathers who are our customers, the fathers who are our neighbors, the fathers who are our friends, and the fathers who are our relatives. It's an amazing thing, and it's a great honor to hold the title father. It's also a huge responsibility to be a father. As a father, it is our job, it is our duty, it's our responsibility, and it's our pleasure to have children, to raise children, provide for our children, teach our children, and protect our children. I want to say thank you to every man out there who holds the title of father. Every man who gets up every single day and faces the cruel, hard, harsh world to provide for his family. Every father out there who steps down from their own masculinity to play dolls with their baby girl. Every man out there who holds the title of father, who teaches their son what it means to actually be a man in our world today. So, this is Jason once again here at Russ Darrow Mazda, June 16th. I want to say Happy Father's Day and thank you for everything that you do. Thank you for your sacrifice and thank you for a job well done. You take care. If you're looking for a vehicle, as you can see, I've got plenty. Why don't you come on down here either on Monday or Tuesday following this video. Come look at a new vehicle. And you know what? You know what, dads? Let's get you in a new car. All right, you guys take care. I'll look for you on the lot. We'll talk later. Bye-bye.